In the next few minutes, we will provide a step-by-step guide for setting up a Lobstr wallet. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to have a secure and reliable wallet to store your digital assets. Lobstr is a popular cryptocurrency wallet designed specifically for the Stellar network. With its user-friendly interface and robust security features, Lobstr offers a seamless experience for managing your Stellar-based tokens. In this article, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a Lobstr wallet to help you get started with storing and transacting your digital assets securely. Step 1. Download the Lobstr app. The first step is to download the Lobstr Wallet application on your preferred device. Lobstr is available for both iOS and Android, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Visit the respective app stores on your device and search for Lobstr Wallet. Download and install the app onto your device. Step 2. Create a new account. Once you have installed the Lobstr app, open it and select the option to create a new account. You'll be prompted to enter a valid email address and create a strong password. Make sure to choose a password that is unique and not easily guessable. Step 3. Back up your recovery phrase. After creating your account, Lobstr will generate a 24-word recovery phrase that acts as a backup for your wallet. This phrase is essential for restoring your wallet in case you lose access to your device or forget your password. Write down the recovery phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. It is crucial to keep this phrase secure and confidential, as anyone with access to it can potentially gain control over your wallet. Step 4. Verify your email. To enhance the security of your Lobstr account, you'll need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for an email from Lobstr and click on the verification link provided. This step ensures that you have access to the email address associated with your account. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication or 2FA. To add an extra layer of security to your Lobstr wallet, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This feature requires you to provide a second verification code in addition to your password when signing in. Open the Lobstr app, go to the Settings menu, and select the 2FA option. Follow the instructions to link your Lobstr account with a 2FA application like Google Authenticator or Authy. Step 6. Fund your wallet. With your Lobstr wallet set up and secured, it's time to add funds to it. Open the app and navigate to the Wallet section. Locate your Stellar XLM wallet address, which will be a combination of letters and numbers. Use this address to transfer Stellar tokens from an exchange or another wallet to your Lobstr wallet. Ensure that you double-check the wallet address before initiating the transaction to avoid any mistakes. Step 7. Explore additional features. Now that your Lobstr wallet is up and running, take some time to explore its additional features. Lobstr offers various functionalities, such as sending and receiving Stellar tokens, managing multiple wallets, and accessing decentralized applications or dApps built on the Stellar network. Familiarize yourself with these features to make the most out of your Lobstr wallet. Setting up a Lobstr wallet is a straightforward process that allows you to store, manage, and transact Stellar-based tokens securely. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a new Lobstr account, back up your recovery phrase, enable two-factor authentication, and fund your wallet. Remember to keep your recovery phrase safe and regularly update your wallet's security features to ensure the protection of your digital assets. With Lobstr, you can confidently navigate the world of cryptocurrencies and leverage the benefits of the Stellar network.